Good morning. Standard 4th. Subject EVS Part 2. Lesson number 1. Maharashtra before Shivaji.
पुरंदर क्षत्रिय कुलावतंस सिंहासनाधीश्वर राजाधिराज श्रीमंत श्री 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 छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की
Maharashtra before Shivaji. Today I am going to teach you a lesson from EVS Part 2. Lesson number 1. Maharashtra before Shivaji. Maharashtra before Shivaji. Shivaji Maharaj was a great man. We celebrate his birth anniversary with the great pomp and reverence. It is a happy day for you children. You sing songs and povadas in his honor. You garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. Who was this Shivaji Maharaj? What was the great work he did that we celebrate his birthday every year? Student, you all know about Shivaji Maharaj. He was a great warrior or a great man of Maharashtra. We celebrate Shivaji Maharaj Jayanti on 19 February every year in school, not only in school but all over Maharashtra. It is a happy day for us. We garland his picture and say Shivaji Maharaj ki jai. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the medieval period. In those days, monarchy or the rule of kings prevailed everywhere. Many of the kings pursued their own pleasure and enjoyment instead of the welfare of their subject. But even in those days, there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subjects. The Mughal Emperor Akbar in the north and the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar in the south are famous in history for their benevolent rules. Likewise, Shivaji Maharaj also commands great respect even today. Shivaji Maharaj lived in a medieval period. Monarchy. Here, monarchy means the king's rule. In those periods, some kings spent their time in pleasures and enjoyment. They did not look after their subject. Student, here subject means what? History, geography, science? No, here subject means people, people, kingdoms, people. The kings neglected the welfare of their subject. But there were some kings who looked after the welfare of their subject. There were two kings. One was the Mughal Emperor Akbar from north and the Emperor Krishnadev Raya of Vijayanagar from south. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Swaraj means self-government, our own rule. For about 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, Maharashtra was not free. A large portion of it was under the rule of Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar and Adil Shah of Bijapur. These two sultans had divided Maharashtra among themselves. They were not liberal in their outlook. They oppressed the people over whom they ruled. They were also sworn enemies each other. They constantly fought against each other with the result that the people suffer and were harassed. The people could not get enough to eat, nor could they celebrate their festivals or worship their gods openly and freely. They were not sure of safety even in their own homes. There was injustice everywhere. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpandes who honored Jahagir. They love only their Jahagir and not their country. The constant fighting among them brought great misery to the people. There was misrule everywhere. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. This is the map of Maharashtra. Before Shivaji Maharaj, a large part of Maharashtra was ruled over by Adil Shah of Bijapur and Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. They were bitter enemies and constantly fought against each other. There was oppression and injustice everywhere. The people could not get enough to eat. They not celebrate their festivals or worship openly and freely. In Maharashtra, there were many Watandars like Deshmukhs and Deshpande who honored Jahagir. They love only their Jahagir and not their country. People were tired of this oppression and were very unhappy. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He first brought to book the Watandars who fought among themselves. He then used them in his plan to establish Swaraj. He fought against the powers of oppress the people and defeated them. He established Hindu Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all caste and religions. Shivaji Maharaj made no distinction between Hindus and Muslims. He honored the sons of all religions. We draw inspiration from these noble deeds of Maharaj. Shivaji Maharaj saw all this. He undertook the noble task of establishing Swaraj in Maharashtra, which would bring happiness to the people. He established Hindvi Swaraj based on justice, fair play, and equal treatment to people of all castes and religions. Before Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. In a period of about 300 or 400 years before Shivaji Maharaj, many sons were born in Maharashtra. Their work helped Shivaji Maharaj in his successful effort of establishing Swaraj. We shall see in the next chapter what is these sons did. Now homework. Homework, write question answer of page number 2. See, this is your exercise. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option. The time in which Shivaji Maharaj lived was that of the dash period. Which period? Medieval. Shivaji Maharaj established Swaraj in Maharashtra. Then second, match the pair. You find out this answer in your book. Your third question is write the answer in one sentence A, B and C. Find the odd man out. These questions answer you write down in your notebook.